So this is footage from one of our guests' drone above our house and our surroundings. So we are basically in the city and also in the countryside. And this lava flow is about 7,000 years old. These houses to the right now are newly built for elderly people. This is into the harbor. Volcanoes in a distance and the Atlantic. The pond is to the left now, underneath, and out by the ocean is a beautiful trail, and houses built in the lava fields. And these ruins in front of us now, colorful, are from World War II. These are barracks remainders. And you can see into Reykjavik in the distance over there, in the mountains above Reykjavik. And so we are back to our house or our area, and we are very close to the ocean, and we love our little house that is both in the city and in the countryside.